What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel and back in the garage here doing another video more on home improvement than vehicle repair. What I'm going to be doing is insulating my garage door. Let me show you what I got here, and I've already done a couple pieces. But what I got is I got this from Lowe's, and each one of these rolls was like $26 a piece. And if you look on here, this is R13. Now, I think the pre-made kit is R6. I'm not exactly sure. But they do sell like the foam panels you can cut as well. And those are like only R3, R6. So I'm with the R13 to hopefully help out in the winter, keeping it warmer, and in the summer, keeping it cooler. But as you can see, the thickness is 3.5 inches, 15 inches wide, and the roll is 32 foot. And it covers 40 square foot each roll. Now let me just show you. It's just your fiberglass insulation. But what I like is it's wrapped in plastic on each side. What I also got is I got some Gorilla Tape, just the white color, and I bought these insulation supports from Lowe's as well. And what they are is just like a metal rod here that I cut down. I cut 2 pieces already. I got to do my third. But I took the metal insulation rod here, and like I said, I cut it down to about 19 inches, and I just stuck it in here and then go up and just shove this underneath there. And as you can see, it has a nice fit to where it's holding this up, and it'll hold it up, you know, when it's up in the air. I still got to cut for this one, but I think that's going to work, hopefully. And what else I'm going to do is with that white Gorilla Tape, I'm going to run it along here, and I might do a piece all on the bottom and on the top here. I'm not sure yet. We'll see, just to help it hold it in there a little better and blend this in a little more. So let's check it out really quick. I was able to cut all my insulation support rods here. Again, these came in 24 inches. You just got to measure and cut them down. And then, like I said, you just slide that up in there. Come down to the bottom and slide that one in. And then just make it even. And that puts a little tension on here, which holds this insulation in really good, actually. If I wanted to, if I could find longer rods, I can run one from this hole all the way to this hole here, and that would give it a little more extra support. But as of right now, I don't think it needs it. And I was going to run some Gorilla Tape along the edges here, like right here. But it seems to be holding in there pretty good, so I'm not too worried about it. And now those rods did only come with 100. So I put 2 on each piece of insulation, except for these ones where the insulation stuck behind here. So that gave it extra support, so I could run just 1 rod in there, and it actually worked pretty good. So again, that was the insulation. I had 3 rolls, and that covered it perfect. This was the only leftover piece I had, actually, because I came over here and I shoved more into these end pieces here. So yeah, that was all that I had left of 3 rolls, so it worked out just perfect. And again, these 3 rolls were $26 a piece. And come over here, these are the insulation support rods. Again, they're 24 inches long, and for 100 of them it was $18. And to cut them, all I used was my grinder with a cut-off wheel, and it worked just perfect. So yeah, guys, I did look up the insulation kit at Lowe's, and that one does go for $79. Like I said, I would have had to buy 3 of those to cover this door, which would have put me at what, $240. And I was able to do this whole job for $97, $98, right around that range. So well worth it. Plus I used R13 insulation, and that kit is R8, so I got better insulation with this one. So let's go ahead and open the door and check it out and make sure it holds up. And actually, guys, it made it a lot quieter as well. It just sounds better. And as you can see, it's holding up in there really good. So yeah, I think it turned out perfect. All right, guys, that concludes my video. I hope this helps you out and saves you some money. Like I said, it's a real easy, simple job to do. It just takes a few hours to do if you follow this video. You can get everything at Lowe's. Like I said, I paid under $100 for all this stuff. I will put in the description below all the parts I used. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe to the channel. I do appreciate the support. And until next time, thanks, guys.